Yeah, yeah. But why was she left there? I mean, is that because she didn't have parents or unwed? Oh, okay. Okay. Mm. Oh, oh, I see. Mm. Yeah, 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 exactly. Yeah, yeah. My God, in the West they just have the babies and keep them. Yeah, there's a lot of unwed mothers around. Mm. Yeah, I mean, she looks very happy and she's sweet. So, yeah.